Hey everyone, welcome to World of Finance. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content on investing and personal finance. Just a quick disclaimer. Please note that this video is just for entertainment purposes and should not be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research or talk to a professional before making financial decisions. Today, I'm diving into the world of UK stock investments. It's a fascinating topic with a lot of potential for those who are willing to learn and take calculated risks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this video is for you. We'll cover some essential tips and tricks to help you navigate the UK stock market. So let's jump right in. There's a lot to cover. First off, why invest in stocks and shares in the UK? It's a question many people ask, and for good reason. The UK market is home to some of the world's most reputable companies. From banking giants to innovative tech firms, there's a lot of diversity. Investing here means you're tapping into a diverse economy with a rich history. The UK has a stable political environment and a robust legal framework, which adds an extra layer of security for investors. Plus, the potential for growth and dividends is a major draw. Many UK companies have a long history of paying dividends, which can provide a steady income stream. But don't just take my word for it. Do your own research and see the opportunities for yourself. There are some great platforms out there to help you get started. These platforms offer a range of tools and resources to make your investing journey smoother. Let's look at 3 of the top ones: Hargreaves Lansdown, Interactive Investor, and Vanguard. Each has its own set of features and benefits. Hargreaves Lansdown is one of the UK's largest platforms. It's been around for years and has built a solid reputation. It's known for its user-friendly interface and extensive research tools. You can find detailed reports and analysis to help you make informed decisions. You can access a wide range of investment options from stocks to funds. This makes it a versatile choice for different types of investors. However, it does come with higher fees compared to some competitors. These fees can eat into your returns, especially if you're just starting out. So if you're just starting, you might find it a bit pricey. Next up, Interactive Investor. This platform offers a different approach. This platform is great for those who want a flat fee structure. It's straightforward and easy to understand. Unlike Hargreaves Lansdown, you pay a fixed monthly fee regardless of how much you invest. This can be a cost-effective option for frequent traders. You can trade as much as you want without worrying about escalating fees. But the learning curve can be steep if you're new to investing. The platform offers a lot of features which can be overwhelming at first. Lastly, we have Vanguard. Known for its low-cost index funds, Vanguard is perfect for long-term investors. It's a great choice if you're looking to build a portfolio over time. The fees are minimal, and the focus on passive investing makes it a stress-free choice. You can set it and forget it, knowing your investments are in good hands. However, the platform is a bit more limited in terms of individual stock options. If you prefer picking individual stocks, you might find Vanguard a bit restrictive. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of investing in stocks and shares. Pros: potential for high returns. Dividend income. These can significantly boost your overall returns. Diversification of your portfolio. By investing in different sectors and companies, you can spread your risk. Cons: market volatility. The stock market can be unpredictable and prices can fluctuate widely. Risk of losing your capital. There's always a risk that the value of your investments could go down. Requires time and effort to research. Successful investing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it activity, it requires ongoing attention. So what's the takeaway here? Investing in UK stocks can be incredibly rewarding, but it's essential to do your homework. Choose the right platform that fits your needs, weigh the pros and cons, and stay informed. Knowledge is your best tool in the world of investing. Make sure to diversify your portfolio to spread risk and maximize potential returns. And always keep an eye on market trends and news. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more investing tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching and happy investing. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn.